So depending on which anatomy book you are working from, you can go to the index and you can look for any of the muscles that we're going to start talking about now. What I'd like you to notice with any of these muscles is where they attach, which bony points, and notice the direction of the fibers that any of these muscles are running in, because that will pretty much tell you what movement that particular muscle or muscle group creates. The first group of muscles that we're going to look at are around the torso, and we want to check out the abdominals. So take a look for 4 different abdominals that you've got in your book. It's going to be the rectus abdominis, internal obliques, external obliques, and then the transverse abdominis. So the rectus abdominis is quite a superficial muscle. So it runs along the front here from the ribs down to the pubic bone. It causes flexion of the spine. So typically when we do sit-ups, for example, or rolling over, it uses rectus. We've got the external obliques that feather down this way, and they help with rotation and twisting. Internal obliques, which feather up this way, also twisting. And then underneath, we've got our deepest core muscle, which is called the transverse abdominis. We oftentimes just call it the TA. It's responsible for intra-abdominal pressure, basically holds everything in place. It helps support the lumbar spine, and it creates almost a flattening sensation. It's actually not a prime mover. The only thing the TA can do is stabilize. So take a look for those, and then we'll move on and take a look at other parts of the body.